Question 2, we've got some quick-fire questions about powers. And the first question, 5 to the power naught, well, everything raised to the power naught is equal to 1. Well, anything raised to a negative power can be turned into a positive power by transforming this into the reciprocal. So this is equal to 1 over 5 squared, which is equal to 1 over 25. Okay, part B. If you notice, all these terms are base 2. And the top line remains base 2 provided we add the powers. So this becomes 2 to the 9 divided by 2 to the 3 as yet unchanged. Now, by that same rule, if we divide these terms, yes, we can stay in base 2 provided we subtract the powers. 9 take away 3 is 2 to the 6th. And those will be your answers.